everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I want to take a second to tell you about one of my new classes. This is my Picture Perfect Birthday Class to Go. And a Class to Go is a class kit that comes in the mail to you. All the instructions are in a step-by-step PDF tutorial that is also emailed to you. This class features the Picture Perfect Birthday stamp set, which is so fun. Don't you love all these scripty sentiments and these bold images? So this was the inspiration when I got started designing this class. As you can see, the colors are bold and bright, and they all feature the Picture Perfect Designer Series paper, which you can see here. Some of them have patterns, some of them have bold photographic images, but they're all fun and they're all birthday related. Now, this class has 4 options. The first option is for those of you that do not have the stamp set yet. This option is $59, and it's going to include all 6 make and takes. It's going to include the clear mount stamp set, actually the photopolymer stamp set, an entire pack of 6x6 Designer Series paper, a pack of Tutti Frutti sequins, and a bolt of lemon lime twist ombre ribbon. Now when you buy this option, you also get to choose a celebration item for free. If you're not familiar with celebration, it's the little catalog that Stampin' Up! Puts out January, February, and March with free items. So when you get this class, you qualify for a free item in here. Now the second option is for those of you that already have the Picture Perfect stamp set. That class will still include all your consumable materials, the bolt of ribbon, the pack of sequins, and the pack of paper, and your 6 make and takes, as well as your PDF tutorial. That option is $39. Now, the third option is for those of you who don't want me to send you anything in the mail. You want the tutorials immediately. That is a separate link that will be listed on my blog under this class. And when you go over there, it's $15. And once you pay, that website automatically sends you the PDF. So it's an immediate download. If for some reason it doesn't show up in your inbox in about 10 minutes, make sure you look in your spam folder and then send me an email and I'll get it right to you. You don't have to wait for the PDF. Now, the fourth option is for my downline, the Sweet Stampede. They get all of my class kits at a significant discount. Their cost for these 6 make and takes is only $12. They also get the PDFs for free every month. If you're interested in joining my team and taking advantage of these great opportunities, make sure that you check out the Join tab at the top of my blog. Now, let me tell you a little bit before I let you go what's included. A Gable box treat holder, a little box treat holder, a little bag treat holder. I love my treat holders. A gift card holder and 2 fun birthday cards. All right, if this is what you want, if this is something you want to come in the mailbox for you, then shoot me an email at erica@pinkbuckaroo.com and I will send you the registration link. The deadline to purchase this class is January 24th, and then I will have them in the mail no later than January 30th. All right, let me know if you have questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.